Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with K Montes Art Studio and welcome to day 7. So yesterday we worked on our little cabin with the trees and the mountains in the background, and today we're going to work on a zoomed in version of an ornament on a tree outside. So I gathered some inspiration from this folk style ornament, and I also gathered some inspiration from this image here with this little cute ornament. I didn't have an exact plan for what the ornament would look like on the inside. I knew that I wanted it to look as if this were an ornament hanging on the outside on a live tree and sort of capture some larger branches. But I wanted to mainly focus on the ornament and really try to capture some of the folk style inspiration. Now we jump into paint, and for this little painting I wanted to use gouache. I've been really trying to experiment with the 3 mediums that I've been using, and as I mentioned in the past couple videos, watering down the gouache has been so fun for me, being able to almost treat it like watercolor, but the way that it layers and allows you to kind of create easy shades and values gives the painting a little bit more interest. So we jumped into the tombos and started to add a couple bits of detail. I wish I would have been able to add more detail to the ornament itself, but again, practicing my illustration style, trying to avoid from having things look too realistic and more on the illustrative style of things. So having a little bit of wonkiness is what I was trying to go for. And as you know, with the Tombos, you can use water to kind of spread some of the pigment and be able to treat it like a watercolor style. So what I did here was push the water around and slightly dab things off to give the ornament almost a pink tone effect. I tried to leave some spots white to give it an illusion that it was shining. I do wish that I added a little bit more detail, but again, thinking fast and quick and kind of to the point is what I was going for this one. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Very short and concise and to the point. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in tomorrow's video. See you in the next one.